Hey everyone, we're here at i69 Motorsports in Union City, Tennessee to purchase our brand new 2023 RZR Pro XP. Okay, here we go. First start of the RZR Pro XP. Here's a first look at our 2023 RZR Pro XP. Just picking it up at i69 Motorsports in Union City, Tennessee. This one has the turbo with 181 horsepower. It's got the Fox shocks, 30-inch carnivore tires, 20 inches of suspension in the front, 22 travel in the back. Has the arched A-arms for increased clearance, 14.5 inches of ground clearance. Been wet out here, already got a little muddy. Call these vented full doors. Got the grab bar sitting in the seat just to bring it back here to the back to do the video. These seats are super comfortable, way more comfortable than the RZR that sat on previously a couple years ago. Little cargo space in the back. Storage compartment. Brand new, 1.4 miles. Turbo is going to produce lots of fun in the years to come.
loaded up, strapped down, about to leave I69 Motorsports and head 20 hours back home to Arizona. My word, just look at how many machines they have out here at Interstate 69 Motorsports in Tennessee. As I mentioned earlier, we drove all the way out